Hello folks, welcome back to another episode of my channel. Today I'm back with the solution of another issue faced in SQL Server. So let me show you what the problem is. I'm gonna start SQL Server first. So here in the start menu SQL Server, and it's loading and it's gonna take a while, so let's just wait. So let me try connecting it to the server. So the issue is, whenever I try to connect to the server, I get an error which says something like cannot connect to desktop dash, and the error goes on. So in order to fix it, we need to run a command. I'm clicking on the start menu here in the left bottom, and then typing run to run our command, and here we need to type services.msc, and then we need to click on OK. So here you can see the panel of services. We need to find SQL Server from the list, so drag down the menu or simply press S from your keyboard to jump to the S sequence. So here you can see bunch of servers named SQL Server. We need to select the server which we was trying to connect. So we can see which server we was trying to connect. Here it is MS SQL Server 1. So we need to select MS SQL Server 1 and click on here start the service. So here it is connecting. Once we get done with that, we need to find SQL Server VSS Writer. So here you can see SQL Server VSS Writer. So you can see the status of that server is null, is empty, and we need to start it. So I'm doing the same by clicking start the services. So here you can see it's running now. Now everything is set up to finally get back to our SQL Server, and let's try connecting it now. So yes, here it is connected. Now you can execute whatever queries you want to. Hope that will fix your issue, but still if it doesn't, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to be of any use. Thank you.